Mas mataas i5 nito compared sa mga normal na mga laptops. Naghahanap ka ba ng mataas na processor on a decent price? So try this Thunder Robot T-Book 15U. So ano meron dito? Well, first of all, let's talk about the processor of this laptop. No, this is already an i5 12 Gen. So it comes with P-cores and E-cores. It is 450H. Normally, nakikita lang natin yan sa gaming laptop. Kasi mga non-gaming laptop, it should be i5-1215U. H means high-powered. So, ibig sabihin, mas mataas i5 nito compared sa mga normal na mga laptops. And the memory is busog ka na rin because it's already 16 gig. By common kasi parang laging 8 gig ang memories ng mga laptop eh. So ito, hindi mo na kailangan i-upgrade yung memory. And about operating system of this laptop, this is already Windows 11 Pro. Of course, the storage is 512 SSD. It is color silver from everything. And then meron ditong design. It is backlit keyboard, tracking pad, there's a fingerprint sensor. So this is a 15.6-inch Full HD. That's a 1920 by 1080. This is an IPS display. So maganda ang screen quality niya. Since ito si Thunder Robot is medyo bago pa lang dito sa market, of course, pinapakita na nila na mataas ang processor namin on a decent price. So in case that you're interested on buying this product, it will be available on our stores nationwide.